For any career, I think if you wanted to be like an expert or someone that knows exactly what to do, I would definitely go take a class and get certified.
You are my warm place. You are my mad strike, set me ablaze. I wish we could stay, but I got other demons I need face to face. You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met me in the dark. I feel the air around me as it starts to move. I realize I never had that much to lose.
What's up, guys? My name is Alex Mo and I'm from San Jose, California, and I'm here at Right Look to learn more about auto detailing.
Hi, my name is Joe Nguyen from the Winter Circle Mobile Detail coming out of Sunnyvale, California. The reason why I'm here, I actually wanted to bring my skill set to another level. Found out about Right Look and heard a lot of good things about them. So that's why we were here. Due to the coronavirus, we were supposed to be here back in March, but it got postponed, but it was worth the wait. I recommend the class to other people that actually want to get their skills to another level. This is a place to be. Ruben, awesome teacher, very knowledgeable, and all the equipment's here for us to use. We have their own, they use their own products. They don't use other chemicals. So I do recommend this course to other detailers that are trying to get their stuff to the next level.
I used to work at a car wash back in San Jose, and I was doing sales. So that's why I kind of like know a little bit of the stuff. Since day one, I pretty much didn't know anything. I thought I did, I guess I didn't. So when you think you know it all, you really don't.
When Ruben was teaching class, not even with the hands on yet, it was so knowledgeable. Just the first day, just him just speaking and telling us all the little secrets about upselling. I just can see that we were missing out on a lot of money prior doing just regular washes. We didn't do the upselling part. The class was a smaller size class, not compared to other, I guess, other companies that teach. So Ruben gives us pretty much like a one-on-one with every student. So I mean, pretty much it was pretty smooth and easy going. I really like the class.
I mean, we're all here to learn. So I mean, basically you're just learning off each person. Someone you see that's doing it right, and you're just like, oh, yo, how do you doing it? And then basically teach you and you just learn together. Hands-on is pretty much hands-on. It's either you have the feel for it if you don't. I mean, pretty much for me, it felt like I knew what I was doing already. It's like second nature, like pick up the buffing pad. Okay, cool. It's not like, it's like, oh, it's like super hard. I'm shaking like that. It felt like second nature to me.
I feel confident now going out there. I could pretty much do everything that was taught in this class. So going forward, I'm ready to take on everything. I mean, the ultimate goal is I had before this class, and now with this class, I'm gonna be a lot more confident. Basically to expand to more vehicles, and then to eventually have a location of my own, and just build up the empire. I think just like for any career, I think if you wanted to be like an expert or someone that knows exactly what to do, I would definitely go take a class and get certified to make your customers feel comfortable, once you offer the service. So I definitely recommend Right Look for other students and other detailers. This class was a 10. Just knowledge. Ruben was knowledgeable. We had all the right tools to do the right jobs. I mean, they sell the product, so me leaving this class, I will be using Right Look products. It's just simple. So I just basically recommend this to everybody else. I mean, if they want to do it right, get certified, and just start making that money.
You probably don't know what you're doing if you're just gonna go out there and just detail. 100%, you probably don't know what you're doing. Because that's what I thought when I first came here. I thought I knew what I was doing, but I really didn't. Anyone that's looking to come to Right Look, just come. Don't hesitate, because it's fun and you'll learn a lot.